In this video lesson, let us understand to solve the numericals from the chapter of some basic concepts of chemistry. Let's look into this problem. Calculate the concentration of nitric acid in moles per liter in a sample which has a density 1.141 gram per ml and the mass percent of nitric acid in it being 69%. So, there is a clue for us here. Concentration of nitric acid in moles per liter. That means we are supposed to calculate molarity. Moles per liter concentration means we are talking with respect to molarity. To calculate molarity, what are all the data given to us? Density is being given as 1.41 gram per ml. Dear students, please remember they have not given us the volume directly. Instead, they have given us density. What is density? Mass by volume. Therefore, if you have to calculate volume, what you should do? So, we have to do that first. To calculate volume, mass by density we have to take. So, now another clue that's given is it is containing, the solution is containing 69% nitric acid in it. What do you understand when it is given as 69% nitric acid in it? It means 69 grams of nitric acid is present in 100 grams of solution, because this concentration of nitric acid is given in percentage. That means it is the total volume of the solution in weightage. The total quantity of the solution is 100 grams. In that, it contains 69 grams of nitric acid. So now, to calculate the molarity, what is the formula? W by M into 1000 by V. This is the formula we have to use. So let us first write down all the data given to us. W is 69 grams as per the 69% data given to us. Gram molecular mass, GMM means gram molecular mass. This they have not given, so we have to calculate. The formula of nitric acid is HNO3. Hydrogen atomic mass is here is 1. 14 is atomic mass of nitrogen. Oxygen, each one is 16. 16 into 3, 48. 16 3s are 48. So when I add all of this, the value comes to 63 grams. So the gram molecular mass of nitric acid is 63 grams. Then they have given us density, but we want volume. So how to calculate volume when you know density? Volume is nothing but mass by density. Given mass of the solution that we can understand is 100 grams divided by density value that they have given is, as per the problem, 1.41 gram per ml. So when we calculate, we get the volume as 70.92. So let us put all of this value as per this formula. Molarity is equal to W. The value of W is 69 that we have calculated. Sorry. Yes, that is volume of W is 69 and gram molecular mass is 63 that we have calculated, and into 1000 by V that we have calculated here by taking the density value, that is 70.92. So when we multiply 69 into 1000, the value is 69,000, and when we multiply 63 into 70.92, you get the value as 4467.96. When we divide these two, the final value that we are going to get is 15.44 molarity. So molarity value is 15.44. The unit that you are supposed to write to get the complete marks is the value, the numerical value should be followed by capital